What if I told you that Tesla, a company best known for its electric cars, will forever change the humanoid robot market with the Tesla robot Optimus? Many people are skeptical of this move, but popular technology YouTuber Dave Lee thinks the Optimus robot deserves an open mind and has big things in store for us. Are you excited about the future of robotics? Bulls in Tesla who are patient will look at Dave's opinions about the possible market for Optimus in this video. Elon Musk's remarkable history of founding several companies and Tesla's track record come along as we explore the possibilities of the Tesla Optimus robot and how it could completely change how we think about robots. Sit back, relax, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get this video started. We'll also talk about the difficulties Tesla faced in the past and how it overcame them to become a leader in the electric vehicle market. Dave Lee is a YouTuber who posts reviews, news, and commentary on a variety of technology-related items and services such as computers, gaming consoles, cell phones, and other gadgets. With more than 1 million subscribers, Dave Lee's channel is well known for its in-depth and educational content. In one of his videos, we'll discuss his opinions on the Tesla robot after attending Tesla AI Day, which he found enjoyable. Dave noticed that people's opinions on the Optimus prototype reveal varied, with some saying it was junk and others saying it will take over the world. Dave thinks it's easy to misjudge something that's so early, and that Tesla's Optimus robot deserves an open mind for 3 main reasons. It has a huge potential market, stellar track record, and Elon Musk has successfully launched multiple companies. He also spoke with a number of the engineers leading the teams at the event, and he got the impression that these are small teams that are still growing and that Tesla is still in the early stages of building Optimus. Dave thinks that Tesla has the potential to dominate the market for robots and AI robots, and that the company can redefine actuators and what a robot body can be. However, the real question is whether this project will be a big hit for the company. Tesla has its brains, which is AI, and they're investing a ton of resources to build the best infrastructure, teams, expertise, computing, and training to excel in the real-world AI. Finally, they've got the Strom strategy, right? A path to market by going for an affordable, youthful robot first, perhaps using its factories and eventually ending up at the consumer's home. The idea has drawn criticism from critics, but Musk asserts that Tesla will become the world's greatest corporation and that humanoid robots would transcend the concept of an economy. Originally designed to carry out hazardous, tedious, or repetitive duties, Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus may turn out to be one of the biggest and most profitable products the world has ever seen. The robot's capabilities are set to expand their usefulness in numerous global marketplaces. Elon Musk has multiple options to make Optimus a successful company. Customers who bought the Tesla bot directly will likely have access to a massive app store that dwarfs any app store that exists today. Each app could download in a matter of seconds and provide highly useful functionalities that affect the physical space, from going grocery shopping to building a house to learning Kung Fu. However, Tesla could sell the hardware or provide service-based fleets. Despite the skepticism surrounding the Tesla Optimus robot, the most imaginative investors are the ones who are willing to follow along with Elon Musk, sharing the excitement of taking what has been reserved for science fiction and bringing it into reality. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and with it comes new opportunities and technologies that were once thought impossible. Just these people now pay a few dollars to download an app to their phones, and the future Optimus will be on par with human capability, and the value of each app could potentially be worth as much. As a career, this means that apps may sell for thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Based on their usefulness in the real world, Optimus is set to revolutionize the way we look at robots. It will come with its operating system, including basic functionality like communication and movement. However, people will pay to add features and make their robot more sophisticated over time. Therefore, Optimus is only limited by our imagination, despite its potential. The way investors value companies seems to be completely broken. For example, Tesla is valued solely on their vehicle business, even though CEO Elon Musk has stated on multiple occasions that Tesla Energy, which is a very real business today, will eventually be just as large as the automotive division. Unfortunately, it's either not clear or large enough of business today for people to add it to their financial modeling or projections, which means Optimus is clearly out of the question. However, a company's worth is the present value of its future cash flows. This means estimating what the company will make in the future and discounting it to the present. This interesting concept can readily be applied to Tesla's automotive business if by 2030 Tesla plans to sell 20 million cars per year, each generating roughly $10,000. Have profit that's $200 billion. In total, we can apply 20 times earnings multiple on this, which is reasonable given that large technology companies have that kind of multiple today. That would mean Tesla would be worth $4 trillion in 2030. If they can hit these numbers, however, the year is only 2023, which is still 7 years away from 2030. Something that is worth $4 trillion in 2030 won't be purchased by investors for $4 trillion now. Since investors need a return of some kind, we would still need to discount Tesla's automotive business to the present, assuming a 15 compound annual discount rate. This means that if we go back 7 years, we would get about $1.5 trillion, which is what investors should pay for just Tesla's automotive business. And of course, over the course of 7 years, a lot can change, and investors might not think that Tesla can turn a profit of $10,000 per vehicle by 2030. But again, owning a Tesla may require some level of imagination regarding what may be quite possible. However, given that Tesla is currently trading at a market capitalization of roughly $600 billion, investors may not agree with at least some of the parameters mentioned. This could alter if it becomes increasingly clear that Tesla can achieve these absurd targets. Based on the scenario stated variables, here is an estimate of the possible revenue that Tesla could make from selling 2 million Optimus bots by 2030. Profit per unit total income of $30,000 from the sale of 2 million units, $60 billion based on a 50% profit margin per unit. Means that each unit would yield a profit of $15,000 if we multiply the earnings from the sale of 2 million units by 40. The total profit would be $30 billion. The Optimus bot company alone may have a market value of over $1.2 trillion. As technology advances and new ideas emerge, the variety and quality of Optimus's apps also increase. This leads to exponential growth in App Store sales, causing the PA ratio to drop year over year. If Tesla makes $3 billion in profit with 1,000 times multiple, the App Store alone could be valued at $3 trillion in 2030. Tesla has the potential to sell up to 5 million Optimus units by 2030. The first 2 million will be used to refine the robot's quality and increase production. The Optimus product alone, when paired with Tesla's earlier hardware estimate of $450 billion, might be worth about $1.6 trillion today. And this is a valuation that investors might not have taken into consideration, even though it is 3 times higher than Tesla's current market size. Elon Musk gave the company the go-ahead to start developing the Tesla bot in the middle of 2021. By 2022, the primitive robot could already move boxes and lift objects in their factories. Looking ahead 7 years, there's still room for exponential growth, and Tesla has all the pieces needed to make this happen. However, investors are not taking into account the potential worth of the Tesla bot, which might be a sharp increase in value if Tesla shows its actual earning potential. Thus, the company's valuation may soon reach previously unheard of heights due to the combined profits potential of Tesla from the Optimus robot in the App Store and the exponential growth potential of the Tesla bot. We'd like to hear your thoughts on whether or not. Dave Lee, a technology enthusiast and YouTuber, thinks that Tesla's Optimus robot has the potential to completely transform the robot industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wall Street Gains for more thought-provoking content on technology-related topics.